Welcome back. More money could have been spent on cancer treatment in Trinidad and Tobago, but this was affected by corrupt activity in the past. This according to Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley during his feature address at the launch of a Linear Accelerator at the St. James Medical Complex on Saturday. More from Khrystal Wilson.
The St. James Center for Radiotherapy has been renamed the Cancer Center of Trinidad and Tobago, and on Saturday, the Linear Accelerator wing at the St. James Medical Complex was launched, this at the cost of $84 million. On hand to deliver the feature address was Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley, who indicated that more could have been done to benefit cancer patients in this country, but past corrupt activity has significantly affected this. The Prime Minister used an example of a department of the Ministry of Housing. He said the department in the past purchased property at an overvalued price of $175 million when it was originally valued at $52 million.
That was $125 million more than taxpayers should have spent. And if that $125 million had not leaked out of the Treasury in that way, we could have got another machine like this.
Prime Minister Rowley said government has been trying to maintain social services, although revenue has been declining as a result of a drop in oil and gas prices. He added that in order to address matters, government is working towards a more efficient system of tax collection. To this end, Prime Minister Rowley promised that government will pursue the establishment of the Revenue Authority.
People like me have done reasonably well in this country. I have a property in Goodwood Park. I have one in Mason Hall in Tobago. I have one somewhere else. Bottom line is in one Woodbrook Place, not paying 1 cent property tax. But I want the police service, I want the fire service, I want the mosquito killed, I want the rats killed, I want the roads cleaned, not 1 cent property tax.
The Prime Minister also took the opportunity to apologize to healthcare employees and other disgruntled members of the public. Over the last few weeks, a number of healthcare workers have resorted to protest action, demanding outstanding monies owed to them and settlement negotiations.
Whether you are a nurse in the hospital in Tobago who weren't paid a back pay, or your permanent arrangements were not made, whether you're someone who was owed VAT, or someone who, but whoever you are, I want to apologize to you for not paying you from the government's coffers, because we give priority to something like this.
The Prime Minister said government continues to prioritize first-class health care throughout the country. The Finance Minister has promised that healthcare workers attached to the North Central Regional Health Authority will begin receiving 100% of arrears for increments owed between June 30th and July 4th. Khrystal Wilson, TTT News.